What?
Doesn't that look like a bear print?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, right here.
Where are you taking me?
Right here. Or up there. Right
Whee.
here.
You're taking me on a little stream hike is what you're doing. Ow. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. Look at it, guys. Ready? I think Mom and him's ready. I think them honking. You ready to go back down?
Yes.
Okay, just be careful, okay?
Wait, is there any tadpoles in here?
Any tadpoles?
Yeah.
I haven't seen anything that small.
Whee! Oh my god. Ow! I just got poked in the head. Owie, owie. Hold on, I'm coming. As fast as my fat butt can.
I'm going underwater.
You're gonna go in the water?
It's not clear.
Well, yeah, you're making it all muddy. No wonder why it's not clear. Oh. Wait. Are you really gonna walk all the way back down? I think Mama and M's ready, son.
Right here. I take my head in right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, hold on, my goggles. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay, perfect. Look.
You weirdo. Come on. Let's go. Okay?
Yeah.
This way. Or get out that way. Either way. Just be careful. Oh, wait. Okay. And we're back. We're going for a walk. And we got videos and pictures.